Exercise 9.1, question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. This is a very important question and very good question. It has been asked in the board examination so many times. So let's do it. Suppose on a ground there is a tree. Let this be tree B, AB. Now due to storm, suppose the tree breaks from any point between A and B. Let us take a point here C. Don't take the point C between A and B, otherwise you may consider it as a midpoint and there is nothing as such given that it has broken from the midpoint. So take the point C anywhere other than midpoint. So I have taken a point here C. Imagine that the tree is broken from this point. So the broken part AC bends and it touches the ground. So this part AC is now bending and it comes down, touching here at a point D. So since this broken part AC has come down touching here at D, that means this part AC and CD are equal because this part only has bent down. Now we are given that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. So the top where it is touching the ground, it is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Okay. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground, is 8 meters. So distance BD we are given 8 meters. So we have to find out the height of the tree. Now the tree is AB. So to find out the height of the tree, we have to find two parts, BC and AC. And to find out AC, we will find out CD because CD is equal to AC. So height of the tree is equal to AC plus BC, and since AC is equal to CD, so height of the tree will be equal to BC plus CD, since AC is equal to CD. Okay. Now we will find out these two parts one by one. So in first case, we have base given and perpendicular we can find out, and we know that the tree is standing perpendicularly, so it's right angle triangle. In first part, relating perpendicular and the base with tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, which is equal to BC upon BD. So tan theta we are given 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to BC upon BD we are given 8. So tan 30, which is 1 upon root 3, is equal to BC upon 8. This means that BC will be equal to 8 upon root 3. Let this be equation number 1. This is our first part. We will not rationalize it here. If required, we will rationalize it at the end. in second part to find out CD. Now this time we are going to relate base and the hypotenuse with cos. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse is equal to 8 upon CD. Theta again we are given 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is equal to 8 upon CD. This means that cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon CD. Therefore, CD will be equal to 8 into 2, 16 upon root 3. Let this be the second part. Now we have got both the parts BC and CD. So to find the height of the tree, we will add BC and CD. So by equation number 1 plus 2, BC plus CD is equal to 8 upon root 3 plus 16 upon root 3 is equal to 8 plus 16 upon root 3, that is equal to 24 upon root 3. But since we have root in denominator, so we will rationalize it. So 24 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, and it becomes 24 root 3 upon 3. We can cancel it. 3 8 are 24. Therefore 8 root 3 meter is the total height of the tree.